Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to activate the Stimulsoft Designer in a Python application. Open your IDE with the project folder. Run the project. By default, the designer displays a trial watermark in the Stimulsoft logo. Create a license folder inside the static folder. You can obtain a key code or a license key file from your account on the devs.stimulsoft.com website. In this tutorial, we will activate the designer using the license key file. Copy the license key file to the server folder. Import the StiLicense class from the Stimulsoft module. Use the setFile method to activate the designer with the license key file. Save your changes and restart project. Now the designer no longer displays a trial watermark or logo. Your application is activated. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.